Hi, I'm Victoria Abadesa.
I'm Eliana Vasquez.
I am Lisbeth Arazo.
I'm Mickey Maldonado.
And I'm Kate Arazo.
And together we're the Techno Timberwolves research team.
Today we are ecstatic to be here and to be showing you the wonders and adventures of math. A lot of people don't realize math is an everyday need. Math serves a multitude of assistants daily, but the major topic we'll be discussing is obesity and malnourishment. First, let's address what those things are.
They are the opposite end of our spectrum on the weight scale.
Math? Obesity is when you're overweight, while malnourishment is when you're severely underweight.
Obesity could be caused by many different conditions, similar to stress eating and the things that you consume frequently.
But then on the other hand, malnourishment can be caused by lack of eating, which causes loss of vitamins. Purposeful starvation could be anorexia, a very common eating disorder. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into how math can help with this.
One way math can help with obesity is calorie counting. For instance, you can count how many calories you should eat for every meal, and when you're finished with the portion, you should leave the food alone only if you've eaten a satisfactory amount.
And remember, it's okay to eat unhealthy foods as long as it's in moderation.
Also, you can use division. It ties into many different methods such as calorie counting and separating how many calories you need to lose. You can distribute how many minutes you work out and how many calories you burn in that amount of time.
For instance, if you work out for 30 minutes, you could count and monitor how many calories you've burned so far and could see how many more you need to reach your goal. You could also do these steps, but instead of using calories, use weight. The last strategy we have for you is about weight and division. This one is easy. Simply choose a reasonable amount of weight and divide it into different times so you can exercise that amount of time every day to reach your goal.
So now that we've covered how we can help solve obesity, let's talk about math ways we can help solve malnourishment. Make sure you weigh yourself regularly to see if you're improving with your weight. Make sure you eat 3 meals every day with the right amount recommended by your doctor. And remember, around 850 million people suffer from malnourishment, and math can definitely solve it.
Just know it'll take a little while to get your goal weight.
We asked some of our robotics teammates about how we can help solve malnourishment. Dylan from Team 828 commented, "Slowly work up your nutritional value and add your food count, plus work up your weight until you get an exceptional weight." Then Lily stated, "Start eating more hearty meals and snacks."
We also interviewed a member of Wedgwood Elementary's green team named Sadie. She agreed with most of the things the others said.
She said, if I had a portion of food, I would split it up evenly and eat it slow. I would drink a cup of water with every meal. Now we would like to show you an experiment we conducted on our 5th grade during lunch.
Here is a poster we made to research school lunches across America. We used math to calculate different statistics about wastefulness and health issues in cafeterias all over the country. There are $6.6 million of food wasted in America every single day. In this figure, we represented the data we collected over 2 days during the 5th grade lunch at Wedgwood Elementary, or not eating as much of. This shows that most often, things like milk or juice were completely wasted. A healthy lunch should be about 32.5% of a student's daily caloric intake. In our cafeteria, the full lunch is 45% of our calories. There is a lot of waste happening, which needs to stop. We are encouraging our fellow students to not get anything they would just throw away anyway.
Now that we have spoken our points and terms, ups and downs of obesity and malnourishment, we would like to give a big thanks to
the American Heart Association, the CDC Foundation, Google Drive, Wedgwood Elementary, and lastly, VexIQ.
Thank you so much for your time. Bye!